Jason Weiser here again, Weiser Sites. Last video, I said that I was going to be talking about the 5 channels of marketing, and specifically as they pertain to brand managers or marketing directors for manufacturing and B2B companies. Those 5 channels are social media marketing, email marketing, direct marketing or paid advertising, content marketing, and SEO. Oftentimes we have clients that come to us and they say, hey, this quarter we've got some CapEx money and we want to know what the best way to invest that money is or they say, we want to know how we should be investing in SEO. To which I always respond, before you invest in marketing or SEO, make sure that where you're sending traffic is going to convert. Has your pages been set up for you? Is your website ready to receive company? Do you know who your persona is? Who's the people that are coming to your website? And is it readily available, the thing that it is that they're going to be looking for? What is your purpose? Is it obvious that they will know what is the thing that you sell and provide? And what is your position? What makes you unique in the industry? And why would they buy from you instead of somebody else? As long as those things are in place, then let's start doing some marketing. Then the question becomes, which marketing channels should we invest in? Well, obviously, you're going to need to be investing in direct marketing, right? Paid advertising, direct marketing, obviously very huge within B2B. But before you do that, you need to advertise content. So obviously you need to have content marketing. So content marketing goes before advertising. Content marketing even goes before SEO, because many will argue content marketing is SEO. Topic for another conversation, for another video. We don't have time to cover that now, but content marketing is absolutely instrumental. And I know that there's a lot of tutorials and information online that kind of beats this dead horse, but it cannot be stated enough. What are the questions that your customers are asking of your website? Write an article about that to answer those questions. So content marketing, I put very high. Social media marketing is important because it's good for branding, but I think that too often we find 2 things that I want to point out with social media marketing really quickly. One, when we look at GTM and GA4, and we look at the analytics, very few of the converted leads that are sent to a website generated from social media. So social media is not going to be one of your number 1 goal conversion lead generating sources. We'll talk about that on another video, but it is important that you have, brand awareness. All right, so let's skip over that. And oftentimes, the other thing I want to say is oftentimes you don't have the budget or the resources to be able to dedicate somebody to sit on social media and carry on conversations. Email marketing, I think, is huge and is truly undervalued, particularly for folks like yourselves. Look, it's really easy to build a list. And I don't care if that list is 50, 500, or 5,000. You can get names on your list from your trade shows, distributors, reps, ASA agents. These guys, it's a tight community. You guys all know each other. So get each other's name, get people's names onto these lists and just make small, quick announcements. You don't have to invest a lot of energy into this. You can use ChatGPT or other ways to write these quick little email blurbs. So I say, if you're going to be spending some money, make sure your website is in order first, then work on your content marketing, then look at email marketing. These are some low-hanging fruit. Spend a little bit of time in social media marketing, but prepare yourself for the long game, and that long game will be direct marketing and SEO at some point. This is Jason Weiser with Weiser Sites, and I hope this helps. I'll see you in the next little short video. Thanks, bye.